Hey guys, Manuel here, founder of 2000books.com, and in this video I'll explain why you are abusing your free time. You're just making a mess of your free time, and this idea comes from the book Deep Work by Newport, who's a professor of computer science. And this book is probably one of the greatest productivity books to have come out in the last few years, and I'm giving away 5 free copies of this book. Now here's the thing. Why are you abusing your free time? Well, most people don't understand the concept of free time. What they think is, okay, I have free time, now I can do whatever I want, which means to them, they seek out more stimulation. So more stimulation as in, let me go on Facebook, let me go on my social media, let me go on Instagram, let me go check email, let me go check my work-related stats, let me check some phone notifications, all and on and on and on it goes. So maybe you have 3 hours of free time, what I would call relaxation time, and you just spend that away in all of this new information, just taking in this new garbage at some point, because you're watching TV, you're looking at news, you're doing all of this stuff. It's all reactive. You're reacting to the information that is coming at you. Instead, what you need to do is you need to be very deliberate about your free time. You need to structure your free time. You cannot be reactive. You have to be proactive. You have to decide ahead of time what you will do in your free time. Maybe you'll spend time with your friends, quality time with your friends. Maybe you'll work on a hobby. Maybe you'll spend time with your relationships. Maybe you'll spend time learning something new. There's so many different ways in which you could invest your free time. But what you're doing is spending your free time on things that will not return any value to you. And what the brain really is craving when you should shut down your brain, when it's time to shut down and relax, the brain is really hoping that you will not give it any new stimulation so it can process the work that you've done for that day, the deep work that you've done for the day, and come up with new ideas, come up with new novel ways of thinking. But instead, with all the stimulation that's constantly coming in, that you're bombarding yourself with, you haven't really created space for yourself, for your brain to think. The brain is just like, it's almost like overfull with information to the point where it just cannot think. So it's really important to not abuse your free time, because this free time is your quality time, this is your enjoyment time, and this is when you probably get your best ideas. So don't underestimate the power of your free time. Don't let it just happen by default. Make it by design, schedule it. Now, if you enjoyed this idea, I'm sure you'll love this book, because this book is full of so many great ideas, probably another 40-50 great ideas like this. And if you want to get a free copy of this book, well, you should enter our giveaway. Go to 2000books.com/deep, click on the link below, or click on the I button in the top right corner of the screen to enter the giveaway. And I hope you win the book. All right, guys, see you next time. Bye-bye.